In this video, we are going to show you how to create YouTube banners in a very short time, less than 3 minutes, using the Canva app. So what you need is to download the Canva app from Play Store into your phone, or you use the online version. Here, when you go to the search bar in Canva, just type YouTube banner and you see different options for the search. You can select the third one, which is a YouTube channel banner, and then this will pop up. Please don't start from a blank banner. It will take you a lot of time. Just scroll down and you select the banner that you want to edit. It will be faster. Take note that there are paid versions and they are the free version. So today we are going to use this free version, which is the business channel, and we are going to edit it because we have a simple channel. We don't need any pictures and complications. So what you do is just to click in on that channel name, delete it, and type in your own channel name, which is what I'm doing. Then the text below, you do the same thing. You click, you tap on it, you delete it if you want to delete, or else you just edit the text which is below. Now you are going to realize that the font size is small. If the font size is small, you can work on it down here. You can go to font, increase the size, and also come to the effect and then select the one you want. Then I'll do the same on the channel name. The font size is okay, but I'm working now on the effect, and I'll take this one. You see it pops up the text, which is what I need. The next step is to download it into your phone using this arrow pointing down. So you will save it directly to your phone's gallery without any problem. Then you can also use the arrow pointing up, which will give you the option either to share this banner or to download it. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. If you need any help in downloading the banner or any other thing you want me to upload a video on, just let me know in the comment section and I'll be glad to make a video on that. See you in the next one. Bye.